Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how you can save your PowerPoint presentation or the slides of your presentation in picture format or images or photos is in images or photos. So I have for the demo I have got few PowerPoint slides over here, not a good slide though, but also. So once you have finished editing your PowerPoint slides, to export or save these slides as in images or photos, what we do is we go to the file section, tap on file, and then save as. So once you tap on save as, so just select the desired location you want to export the images to, and then when you look over here, there's one section called save as type. From here there are a lot of options available. We will be choosing jpeg or png format. So jpeg is one type of picture format and png is another type of image format, so you can choose between these two, whichever you like. So I'll just go with jpeg file format, and then let me just create a folder over here, slides, and once you are done, just click on save. So this will ask if if you want to export all the slides as in images or just the one. So let me just export all the slides, and it says it has been already exported. So let's go to our folder. So this was the one that I just exported, and it's in the name of the folder is in the name of the presentation. And as you can see, there are 4 different images or the pictures for the 4 slides that was in our presentation. Let me just try opening the file. Okay, so these are the PowerPoint slides that we just exported or saved as picture from our PowerPoint slides. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.